Hello from Chic Spaces. Welcome to the Urban Silhouette. This home is a fusion of few interior elements which are much in trend these days. From the wall beadings in the drawing room, a big bottle pull-out made in-house in the kitchen, leather laminates in the master bedroom, and a fixed swing in the drawing room again. With this project, with this home interiors, we would like to introduce Mr. Punit, who is the project manager in Chic Spaces. Thank you, Punit, for joining us. Punit, if I would like to ask you, why did you choose Chic Space?
As I am a creative streak, but also a process-oriented person, so to find both the worlds in an organization is a very rare thing. However, Chic Space has the balance of both the traits, which helps me to connect with Chic Spaces.
Great, Punit. Thank you so much. Would you also like to tell us about what value Chic Spaces is bringing to the table?
Sure, I love to answer this question. Chic Spaces bring integrity, accountability and responsibility in its work with a dedicated and skilled team members. Combining all these traits make the Chic Spaces different from its competitive industrial players.
Great, we are equally excited to have you on the board. With this said, would let you all take the tour of this beautiful house and do let us know about your favorite Chic Space. Thank you.
Thank you.